Final round. Start.
Here's the bell.
Oh. Nagda-dodge si bro, nagda-dodge. Dodging. Mayweather. Pero ito, mas realistic pa tong labanan to kumpara sa Jake Paul versus Mike Tyson, no?
Yeah, like the previous series that you've did is this one is the game
Pero
changer.
surprisingly na yun, looks like si JJJ na yun ang losing.
It might
Kasi
happen
hindi
to
niya mahabol si
Oppius and DJJ, of course. You could tell. Oh! What is going on?
Natumba, oy! Natumba. Wow! Oh yeah. Okay. Si Foden na yun yung Si Foden na yun yung natumba. Okay, resume. Pero looks like bumabawi na yun si Oppius, oh.
Oppius, and look at DJG. He's trying to recover too.
Sige lang kasi hindi lang to katapusan, okay? Hindi to katapusan ng mundo.
Yes. Look at Oppius.
Ops. But
Friendly Fire is being presented to you by Run Wide Rob, celebrating 155 years of embracing Filipino values. Lamau Brewery Incorporated, CFB, express the freedom of banking. Brought to you by Ultron, fuel for everyone. Be Mulumi Maximum Boost with Immunogroup Boosters. Laking Be Mulumi, laking panat.